Okay, we got the eyes all marked where we want them. So now we're going to take these three pieces and we're going to glue these together, and this is going to be for our neck, which will go in here. So we'll glue these together, let them set, and then we'll put the other with it. And we'll glue it into the neck. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions, feel free to ask. I'll try to get your answered on there in my comment section. We'll let this dry, then we'll sand it all the sides down, get it to fit, then we'll glue it into place. Just wipe the excess glue off. So we'll set this aside, let it set up good, and then we'll sand it down and glue it into the head. We got the eyes are all done, the mouth's done, so this is our last stop. Then we can, once we get that glued in, we can sand it down and round it down. Thanks for watching.